up? My name is Siege. Welcome to my popping training series. Before we get started, I want to make sure you know what to expect from this video. Number one, this video is designed specifically for poppers who want power in their arms. Number two, expect your muscles to be sore. If you do feel the soreness, that means you're doing it right. If you're not feeling soreness, maybe you should try a little bit harder. The duration of each drill varies from drills to drills, so use a time bar to monitor your progression. Number three, make this a daily ritual. Only by consistently training and working out your arms will you get the results you want. Have fun with it. Challenge yourself. Number four, all right, do not quit. Make a commitment to yourself that when you start the video, you're gonna go all the way from the start to finish. Finish the video all the way through. Finish the workout, finish the training all the way through. No matter how sore you think you get, you're gonna finish. Commit to yourself right from the beginning, because in the middle of the video, I see so many students, so many beginners, they quit in the middle because there's nobody giving you accountability. There's nobody checking you. I'm not there to check you. Nobody's there to check you, only you. So I want you to commit to yourself. Do not be a quitter. See it all the way through, and you're gonna get the power and you're gonna get the pop that you want. All right, guys, enough talking. Let's get ready to pop.
All right, guys, so welcome to episode 2 of our popping arm drills. So this first set, or the first section of the first set, we're popping on every clap beat. And you see that we're popping at 90 beats per minute, okay? Focus on relaxing between the beats. Pop right there. Coming up, every beat, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're popping on every beat right now, okay? Your arms shouldn't be very tired yet. It will soon, though. Every beat, every beat. Transitions coming up. 5, 6. Here we go. Every clap beat. Boom. Clap. Pop. Clap. So the clap beat, again, if you don't remember, clap beat is every 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2. Boom. Boom. That's every clap beat. Every beat coming up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're popping on every beat. Okay. So when you see underneath where it says popping every beat, when it starts flashing, the next one is coming up. We're almost done here, guys. 93%, 94%. And we are done with our set number 1. Here we go, set number 2. It's a little bit faster, or a lot faster. This tempo is at 135 beats per minute. Everything is the same except the beats are faster. Here we go. Every beat now. Pop, 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 pop. This should feel more of a rush, but I still want you to learn how to relax in between a beat. Every clap beat now. Clap beat. Boom. Bop, bop. Relax in between the beat so you could go from that 0 to 100 and then back down to 0 as soon as you can. All right? Get ready. Here we go. Every beat. Every beat. Bop, 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 bop. You should be feeling a little bit tired. Not a lot tired, but a little bit. And we are done with set number 2. Stretch out your arms. Get ready for 3. All right, here we go. Last set. Set number 3. Back down to 90 beats per minute. Focus on relaxing. By now, your arms should feel a little bit tight from the previous 2 sets. But this set is the most important because I want you to learn how to practice when your arms are a little bit tight, a little bit tired. Every beat. Do not get ahead of the beat. At this point, most students kind of tend to rush it. I still want you to remain calm. Listen to that beat. Every clap beat. Boom, Wait for that clap and be right on the clap. Do not rush the clap. Stay focused, stay relaxed. Almost done, guys. What we're gonna do at the end of this video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about some of the technique. So definitely stay tuned and watch that. %. We're almost there, guys. %. All right, y'all. Great job. Stretch it out. Stick around and make sure you get the pointers.
All right, guys, let's break down this drill. This drill is really simple. However, there are a few key things I want you to really keep in mind when we're doing this drill, okay? So, we're crossing an arm. It really doesn't matter which arm's in front or which arm's behind. It doesn't matter, all right? So the first one, you know, when we do it on every clap beat, we go 1, 2. What I want you to do, okay, there's 2 ways, and I want you to practice both ways. First one is more of the tricep. This is more of an extension, like away from you, okay? You cross your arms and you're going away, boom, this way, okay? That's the first way. Second way is the opposite, where you're here and you're contracting, you're pulling in, right? So like it's kind of like you're pulling towards you. I want you to know how to do both ways. So first one, boom, this way where you're going out. Second way, you come in and then boom, inward, all right? It's up to you. You could alter it. You know, maybe what I would do is for the first time you watch the whole video, try to practice going out this way, okay? And maybe the second time during the day or even the following day, try to do it inward, okay? So it's either away from your body or into your body. Now, this one right here is a little bit different, okay? This is a different group of muscle where it's more of a turn. You see how like there's a turning, okay? So it's not extending or pulling, it's turning of the elbow. It's almost like if you guys ever practice locking, it's a little bit like that. It should remind you a little bit of that turning, okay? So what I'm doing is when I go out here, boom, there's that turn, okay? So when you first start, what I recommend is obviously your arms are bent. When you go out, I don't recommend keeping your arm straight or keeping your elbows locked. Have a slight bend to it, okay? Have a slight bend to it. It's a little bit easier to do that turn, okay? So you're here, pop, pop, right here. You guys see that? If I go slow, here, boom. And immediately after I go boom, I come right back, all right? So that's a quick breakdown as you guys practice, you know, here, boom, For those that know how to do the arms, or if you're watching this and this is like the 5th time or the 10th time you're doing it, I highly recommend you guys start doing it with the legs, all right? So this video is to get people started. Get the arms down first. If your arms aren't reacting the way you want it to, don't concentrate on the legs right now. Concentrate on arms. Make sure that it becomes more of your natural movement. Make it more, you know, natural. So you're not thinking about the arms. You're popping the arms naturally. Then I want you to start adding the legs, okay? Because oftentimes when, you know, a lot of times when you see great instructors, we teach you arms, legs, neck, chest at the same time. That's like trying to juggle 10 balls at the same time when you could barely even juggle 2, okay? So that's the same idea. Practice the arms. Drill this daily. Drill this daily. You know, the thing about the arms is that you'll get sore, but you're not going to hurt yourself. You're not going to injure yourself, all right? So keep practice, guys. Have fun with it. Holla at me if you have any questions. I'm out. Check it out. Let's go other side. Here we go.
15 seconds.
Today, they don't see things the same. 2, 1, 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around, one today. They don't see things the same. 2, 1, 2 out the door. Then you have magic.